Hi, recently I bought one portable blender from Aldi. So this is a $20 blender that I saw in a catalog, and then I went to Aldi to get it. Uh, so this video is all about unboxing this portable blender and a quick guide for you on how to use it. So this is the packaging, and the packaging is really nice. I like the way the packaging is done, and then you can keep the packaging and then later carry on wherever you want. And some details are mentioned here, like USB charger is included and does 20 plus blending with a single charge, and there's the stainless steel blade, and then we can turn on and off on the go while moving, and then you can make multiple drinks like smoothies, protein shake, and everything. Now let's go and unbox this. I'll just force open the lid here, and this is the stopper at the top, and this is a USB cable to charge, and then let me just slide it out. Some paperwork's in there. So this is the manual for using this machine, warranty card, and this is the main attraction of this video, the portable blender, $20 portable blender from Aldi. It says recharge before use, and then not for crossing ice. And this is the bottom part, and there's a single switch to turn it on, and then a port for charging. Let me open the lid here. There's another strainer attached to the top lid to filter the ingredients after blending. And now let's do a quick test over here. It says here, warning not for crossing ice, so it's not meant to be used to cross ice. And the next thing that what you need to keep in mind is you can see the maximum level here, so it's better to maintain the level. And other than this, this is the battery part or the electronic part. We shouldn't be washing this part or making it wet. And this is the controller or the switch. So when you double tap, it will switch on, and then to charge your portable blender, what you need to do is you just need to open it like this, and then plug in your USB cable, and then connect it to the power bank or anywhere. I'll be showing you how to charge in the later part of this video. Now after this, let's go and do a quick demo of this portable blender. As you can see, I have already got some fruit crumbs inside there, and I have added a little bit of water also. And the manual suggested us not to use the frozen fruits, so it's not currently frozen. Let me add some yogurt here. Okay, and another thing that you need to be careful about is you shouldn't be operating this portable blender when it's empty, when there's nothing. So we shouldn't be operating it. So let me add the lid here, just make it tight, the bottom one too. Now let's try to switch it on. So to switch it on, we just tap, double click here. Okay, and then okay, so as you saw just before, you can see the light blinking here. It will automatically turn off after 20 seconds, or if you want to stop in the middle, you can just press this button over here, the power button, and it will stop blending. So it has done a perfect job. I can see that it's all blended well, but in case if you want to repeat it again, you need to wait for about 5 seconds for 2 consecutive blending. So it has been already 5 seconds, I guess. So I'll just double tap on here, and I'll just stop it like this. That's it. After blending, you can directly drink your drink from by just opening the cap, and then you can see there's the strainer, and you can drink from here, or you can also open the top lid and transfer it to any other glasses or vessel of its choice. And the last thing, let me show you how to charge this portable blender. So this is the USB cable that came with the packaging. Let me just close this lid, and I'll connect it over here like this, and then you can connect this to any power source like power bank or your computer's USB port or anywhere, and then it will automatically light on. So once it's fully charged, either the light will go off or it will turn blue. This is it. So you can just unplug it once you are done. It might take about 2 to 3 hours to get fully charged, and then once it's fully charged, you can the manual says you can use it for about more than 20 times, more than 20 blendings. So this was the packaging. It says here 20 plus uses of one charge. So this is it. Thanks for watching. You have a great day. Enjoy your drink.